Book title: The Voice Inside, A Beginner. English book story. Motivational and easy to read. Chapter 1. The Silent Boy. Alex was always a quiet boy. He lived in a small town, far from big cities. At school he was a good student, but when the English teacher asked, "Who wants to speak today?" Alex looked at his shoes. He never raised his hand. He never said a word in English. He felt afraid. He thought. So he stayed quiet. But inside his heart there was a voice, a small voice. It said, Chapter 2. The Stranger in Town. One afternoon, Alex was walking home. At the bus stop, he saw a man with a big backpack. He looked confused. He had a map in his hand. He was speaking in English. "Excuse me," the man said to a woman nearby. "Where is the library?" The woman didn't understand. She walked away. Alex understood the question. He wanted to help. He opened his mouth, but no words came out. He was scared. The man looked around, sighed, and walked away. Alex felt small. He whispered. That night he looked in the mirror. He said, Chapter 3, one word. The next morning, Alex took his phone. He found a video. Learn English speaking. Day 1. He played the video. The man on the screen said, Alex repeated. He smiled. It was just one sentence, but it felt good. He wasn't perfect, but he spoke. Every day he practiced, in the mirror, in the kitchen, even while walking to school. Some people stared. He didn't care. He was learning. Chapter 4. The First Conversation. 2 months later, something happened. Alex was sitting in the park. Next to him, a boy was reading an English book. Alex saw the title, Harry Potter. He smiled and said, The boy looked up, surprised. You speak English? He asked. Alex nodded. A little. I'm learning. They started talking slowly, with simple words. It was not perfect, but it was real. For the first time, Alex had a conversation in English. He felt strong. He felt brave. Chapter 5. The English Club. Alex wanted more. He joined an online English group. Every weekend, people from around the world talked, from Brazil, from Egypt, from Japan. Everyone made mistakes. No one laughed. Alex spoke slowly. He listened carefully. His English grew. He started writing in English. He made videos. He helped others. He was not the quiet boy anymore. Chapter 6. The Voice Grows. 1 year later, Alex became a guide in his town. He helped tourists. He gave directions. He spoke English every day. One tourist said, Alex smiled and said, that voice inside him, it was not small anymore. It was strong. Chapter 7. A Message for You. Alex now teaches other students. He says to them, then he points to his heart and says, Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.